Namaskar and welcome to PTI. You know, this is the second season you
Yes.
joined in. How is your experience of it and what an audience can expect out of this show?
Well, yes, first season was hugely successful, and I'm really happy to be here on Hip Hop Season 2, Hip Hop India Season 2. I've said this even before, but it's been a wonderful journey for me purely because very new to me the whole space. Yes, it's a dance show, and I've been part of innumerable dance shows, but इसका flavor ही कुछ अलग है. It's a very different approach, a very different style. So for me, it's a very different stage for me altogether. But they've made it super easy for me now that Remo's been part of season 1. He literally is the mentor over there for everybody. So I've also gained a lot being on this season for sure.
What do you want to say?
Of course, season 2 hai, and we have Malaika this time, and we've worked earlier in other reality shows, but ये वाला reality show, as मलाइका ने कहा, जो थोड़ा सा अलग है. ये usual वाला जो reality show वैसा नहीं है, तो ये थोड़ा community, ये underground, वो सब कुछ है इसके अंदर. तो I'm really happy कि इनको ये वाला experience भी करने को मिल रहा है, and this is something very very interesting. And she is जैसे कि हैं वैसे ही कि पहले दिन से ही she is like there.
मजा भी आ
मजा
रहा है, बहुत मजा आ रहा है. I think it's a different experience for me and Remo, and I mean even अगर कोई सवाल हो, if I'm not understanding a certain style, or उनके हर style का कोई intricacy भी होता है, उनके कोई high points, low points रहते हैं. Always ये क्या हो रहा है, what is the meaning of this, why this? So I keep asking him these questions, but it's been a great experience.
How much do you understand hip hop?
I love hip hop, whether it's music, whether it's a style, whether it's the rhythm, it's the dance. I love it a lot. But while actually seeing the community, seeing them, this whole underground community actually जब perform करते हैं, जब dance करते हैं, I think I get a little more inspired. Like I feel like shit, I need to up my game as well. I really feel that.
Yeah, we do that.
You know, you both are associated with dance. How you will define your relationship with the dance? Starting with
How's my relationship with dance?
yes.
चल रहा है.
है?
मजा है. Left
It's-
foot आगे,
yeah,
right foot
right foot
आगे,
पीछे.
चल रहा है. No, I mean,
It's like
I
it's
think, I'm
keeps-
sure he has a lot more experience, years. I think his whole take on dance is very, very in depth and different. So I think he would be more, astute to answer that. I think.
My relationship with dance is really, really, I would say intense, because अगर डांस नहीं होता तो शायद मैं नहीं होता. तो that's how it's related to me, because that's how I started this career, that's how I came to this world, and that's how I'm doing
Who
so
you
much.
are
So
today,
yeah,
yes,
who I am
that
today.
is-
Yeah.
But I think like I always say कि dance एक emotion है, एक feeling है, और जब बच्चे perform करते हैं, you really feel so involved with what they're doing, because dance sometimes they could be, some of them they're probably not in the best frame of mind, or they have something going on. I think dance
Yeah.
is the perfect outlet as well, and
It just,
and
yeah.
you literally that's how I look at it. जैसे उन्होंने कहा कि I think even for me, my career in this business, I got that recognition जो एक जो push मुझे मिला, एक recognition जो मिला, आज तक जो जहाँ भी हम जाते हैं लोग recognize करते हैं, because of the dance
Yeah.
that we've done. So I'm eternally grateful, and dance will always be a part of my life forever.
Malika, when I think about your dance, the first thing comes in my head is Chaiya Chaiya. It has like the OG and the rage. But like, that time the film was huge. How you became part of that film and that song?
It just happened. अभी मतलब बहुत हमने इसके बारे में हमने discuss किया है, but yes, I think I was just at the right place at the right time, and I got that opportunity. I'm sure there बहुत सारे लोग थे जो जो consider कर रहे थे, but I just happened to be lucky to get it, and like I said, and the rest is history. And for me, it truly is one of the most iconic. और मैं हमेशा कहूँगी, not because I am part of it, but it truly is a very iconic
It
song
is.
in visual, in sound, in every way, choreography, everything. So, and thankfully, I've been part of very amazing, beautiful songs over the years. So yeah, I
And if I-
consider it truly an OG of of songs.
And directed by Mani Ratnam. The song was entirely, and
Yeah.
you said there was no green screen or anything, but the original.
No, it's
Nothing.
actually-
So-
nothing. सब live.
Actually, yeah, live.
सब live.
Shot
Live
live.
location, live सब. Yeah. जो भी चल रहा है सब live ही था.
Would you like to share anecdote of that song? Because it's iconic, and when you think about dance, it's your song that comes in your head.
Anecdote. I was very nervous. I was very scared. लेकिन obviously एक moving train पे dance करना is very difficult. बहुत ही मुश्किल था. लेकिन I don't know. I just enjoyed myself. I just went with the flow. I said a prayer and I said, "चलो,
Go for
start करो. Let's do this." But we took about 6 days or something to shoot that song. 6-7 days because वो train उसी एक ही पटरी पे चलती थी. So you had to go from
Oh.
point A to point B. फिर वापस train को you have
वापस
to
वहाँ
bring
जाना.
it back.
Oh, okay.
So it took a lot of time just for those technical things that were going on, and all day to be sitting on top of a train in the sun, और सब बैठे थे, dancers थे, हमारे
Wow.
light boys, choreographers, सब बैठे थे वहाँ पे. So it was an amazing feeling. It felt like a family up there.
It changed your life as well.
It did, absolutely. It gave me a new perspective of life. I never thought कि ये मेरे लिए था. This was in store for me, and then life just happened from there. It was amazing. And like I said, I'm eternally grateful.
Remember, you are considered one of the idols because you had transformed yourself from a choreographer to a filmmaker. Your journey has been very inspiring. And how do you see the expectation on people's side? Do you see it as a pressure? You see it as motivation, or you see as inspiration? How you see it?
I see everything actually. I see inspiration. I get inspiration. I get motivated when people come and say कि oh आपकी film अच्छी लगी. I get pressurized when they say कि okay ये film नहीं काम किया, आपका ये चला नहीं, ये नहीं हुआ, तो pressure होता है. So every film, every song which we do, it goes for Malaika also. It's the added pressure we get कि okay now this is done.
Deliver करना है.
अब दूसरा डिलीवर करना है, अब उसको कैसे करें, उसको भी उसी लेवल पे कैसे लेके जाएं. सो इट इज़ प्रेशर भी है. कभी कभी बहुत अच्छा लगता है, कभी मोटिवेट होते हैं, कभी इंस्पायर होते हैं. सो या एवरीथिंग इज देयर.
And how you see people come up to you and say that we want to be like you and want to explore that thing. So
दैट्स वन थिंग व्हिच आई हैव, मेरे को बहुत टाइम से बोलना था, बट सो आई वेंट फॉर दिस ramp show for the kids. I think Smile Foundation or somebody. So they had this 10 kids walking the ramp. So I was the guest there. So I was sitting, and just before the kid comes on stage, they say that उनका नाम and उनको क्या करना है life में, and then they walk. Out of 10, 6 of them, 3 of them wanted to become a dancer, and 3 of them wanted to become an actor.
wow.
सो फॉर मी 10 में से 6 लोग इस फील्ड में आने की बात कर रहे हैं. मतलब एज अ डांसर आई फील वेरी लाइक प्राउड ऑल्सो देयर कि यार एक हम उस लेवल पे आ गए हैं जहाँ पे पहले इस डांस को पहले कोई वो नहीं करता था, एज अ प्रॉपर प्रोफेशन नहीं लेता था कोई भी. बट नाउ पीपल आर कंसिडरिंग दिस एज अ प्रोफेशन ऑल्सो. सो आई फेल्ट रियली नाइस. सो
Well, I've also had the pleasure of working with Ramos, and I've seen, not just even earlier, और उनको इतना प्यार मिलता है. I've seen it बच्चों से, जब भी हम सेट पे बैठते हैं, I mean, obviously he's been there for such a long time. जो भी मतलब जो हमारे जो dancers हैं, choreographers हैं, he also gives all of them an opportunity via his films. A lot of the kids that we see who are taking part, they eventually get an opportunity in his film, and ऐसे होता नहीं है. I think it's very rare because ऐसे बहुत सारे बच्चे होते हैं कि they come, they do their bit, जीत जाते, चले जाते, लेकिन कुछ होता नहीं उनका. But he takes stock of that, and I see it every single time we work, every time we shoot. He has so much of love, so much of respect, and I think that's so amazing.
Malaika, you have been in the industry for quite some time, and you have been relevant. How challenging is to keep that up?
Oh, staying relevant is probably the most challenging part of any of this profession, especially because I think सबकी एक shelf life होती है. आप आ जाओ, काम करके आप निकल जाते हो, 5 साल, 10 साल, 15 साल जो भी है. But I think now there is a certain longevity that you can actually, you can actually stretch that career because there are so many more opportunities available. It's not like you're stuck in only, you know, in a particular space. कि I started off as a model कि मुझे पूरी ज़िंदगी मुझे सिर्फ modeling ही करना है. No, there are so many different departments related to the business that you can actually move on and be part of. And I think I've been really happy and really proud to say that I've managed to touch upon these things and make it a part of my career. So every single, starting from a model to a VJ to today, you know, being on television, whether it's a host, whether it is a judge, whether it is producing content, whether it is being it's an entrepreneurial journey. So all of it, I think every one of them has given, it's because of my job over here that it's given me an added bonus of experiencing something new. So I think, and more so for a woman, you know, for a female in the industry, कि अगर आपको, because सबकी shelf life उतनी होती है, तो फिर उसके बाद सब कहते हैं कि चलो अभी, you know, you're done, you know, you don't look so good, or age. I mean, all these factors are all there, but I think it's very important to stay above your game, to stay ahead of your game, and stay relevant.
Mhm. Also, the clip is getting viral where you're schooling a young kid. Naveen Shah, you were schooling the kid. How important is it to draw that line that you can't cross that because you're too young, or in whatever sense that how you think that how important is for both of you?
Well, firstly, I think a lot of it was said in jest. It was not कि मुझे उनको डांटना था कि या उनको मुझे बताना था. That wasn't the case. It was said in jest. वो perform कर रहे थे, and when you perform, you know, there are a lot of अदाएं होती है, there are a lot of, you know, naughty things that you know, you kind of do and you play around with. I mean, we've all been part of songs where you have a lot of conjecture, as जैसे कहते हैं. So it was not like I was, but maybe in that moment I just felt कि कुछ ज़्यादा ही हो रहा था. He was a little kid, so I just kind of told him, but that wasn't my actual intention. But yes, I feel थोड़ी बहुत you should draw the line somewhere. But having said that, we're all part of the business. I mean, our songs have, you know, there are a lot of you know, ways of maybe suggestive moves, maybe lyrics, maybe all of it. And I'm not a prude about it. I'm part of it, and I'm very, very happy to be part of it. As long as nobody's objectifying me, nor am I objectifying somebody else, I'm happy. But otherwise, on my own accord, if I'm part of something and I'm okay with it, then I'm good. I don't have a problem. I'm not a prude. Let's just say that. Yeah.
Emma, what's your take on being a?
I think she's said it all. Absolutely ditto.
Yeah, मतलब क्या I mean, it's fine. Yeah,
it's fine.
Maybe
हम लोग इसी फील्ड में, so it's होता है. It doesn't. But yeah, draw a line. वो
cross नहीं करना
चाहिए. That is there. But yeah, exactly.
बच्चे तो बच्चे वो तो लिटरली वही था उसके साथ.
Even yeah. बाप भी.
That's what I said. बच्चे तो बच्चे, बाप. He was even born. ठीक है. Anyway.
इसके बाद what is next from you guys for the audience?
For the audience, right now it's Hip Hop India Season 2, and the film is also running successfully on Amazon only. And yeah, working on my next, so busy with that.
Which genre?
Okay, I can tell this. It's a love story.
Ooh. Yeah. Scripting is done?
It's done. We're still finishing up.
Can't sing anything? Anyone?
Let that be secret.
He can't reveal everything now. No? That's not fair.
He is the captain of the ship. He can.
थोड़ा बहुत तो कह दिया अभी, उससे ज़्यादा नहीं कहना.
उसके close आऊँगा शूटिंग के तो मैं बता दूँ.
Malika, from your end?
I think फिलहाल इस वक्त I just want to concentrate on Hip Hop Season 2. मुझे बहुत मज़ा आ रहा है. Lots happening, lots in the pipeline. जब वक्त आएगा हम उसके बारे में बात कर लेंगे. लेकिन now I just want to be and only talk about hip hop. That's it.
Thank you so much and wish you all the best.
Thank you so much.